Hi my dearest traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trading using technical analysis, and I'll be using an indicator. I'll be using the Parabolic Sar indicator and try and find good entry points on the market. So today I'm going to start with an initial deposit of $149 and try and hit my goal for today, which will be around probably $20,000 or more. Hopefully by the end of the video I'm able to hit this goal, and stay tuned until the end of the video because you might like my trading strategy and use it as well to make very good profit. If you are looking to learn more about binary trading, if you have any questions concerning binary trading, you can join my private chat in Telegram channel. If you'd like to join this private chat, go under this video. It has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, and subscribing down below to my channel. So let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So first, let me briefly explain to you how to find good entry points using this indicator. So as you can see, the indicator looks like points located above or below the graph. When these points are located above the graph, we see that the price is moving down, and when the first such points appear above the graph, we can open the trade to go down. Just as you can see here, near the resistance level, a reaction occurred. The price made a turn and began to move down. Next, as you can see, when the points of the indicator are located below the graph, we understand that the rising movement begins on the market, and at the appearance of the first points under the graph, you can open a trade to go up. Next, as you can see, in a situation with a retracement, the indicator often changes its location. That is, points appear both above the graph and below the graph. That means in such a situation you need to be more careful when choosing an entry point by analyzing the situation as a whole. So these are the main points that I've already pointed out. Let me find the first entry point. So as you can see here, the price is moving along the downtrend, and currently there's some kind of fading on the market, and the parabolic points are located above the graph. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade to go down since the indicator says the price still has the downside potential here. Also, you can see the main price maximums on the graph are getting lower. At the same time, I still have a long distance to the last price minimum, so it's more likely that the price will continue to move down in the downtrend. So let me watch this graph and see how this trade will end. This is pretty great, friends. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario, and here I got a great profit. In this situation, you can see the indicator did not let me down. It hinted at a very good entry point, and 1 minute was quite enough for this trade. So let me find more situations to work on. So here, as I can see, next the price makes a rollback up and then continues to move down while the points of the parabolic are located above the graph. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for a minute to go down since the indicator indicates that the price has a good downside potential here. At the same time, you can see the overall downtrend is preserved and the main price maximums are getting lower. Also, as you can see here, the price made the resistance level from which it will make a rebound down for the second time. At the same time, you can see that several red candlesticks are formed on the graph in a row. So it's likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move down according to the downtrend. Let me wait for the end of this trade. Well, this is great, friends. As you can see, the price continues to move down, and thus this trade brings me a lot of profit. You can see that the indicator really showed a good entry point. 1 minute was quite enough for this trade. Let me find more situations. Here you can see the price is moving in the uptrend. Currently the price is in the correction zone, and on the graph I see some kind of fading. So in this situation, I'm going to open a trade for a minute to go up since the parabolic points are located under the graph, and as you can see, I still have enough space until the last price maximum. As you can see, the main price minimums are increasing lately, and also after a fairly strong decline, the price continues to move up. All this tells me that the price has a good upside potential, and it's likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up according to the rising trend. Let me wait for the end of this trade. This is really awesome. You can see the price is showing a slight growth, and here I got a very good profit. In this situation, 1 minute was quite enough for this trade. Let me continue. So here I can see the price continues to move up. At the same time, at this moment, it's already going above the previous maximum. Also, the parabolic points are still located under the graph. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go up, since the indicator indicates that the price has a potential for a growth. At the same time, there is still a long distance to the maximum point on the graph. I can see that now the price moves up mainly with green candlesticks, while the rollbacks down are recently very small. So it's more likely that the price will continue to move up in the uptrend. So in this situation, I use 2 minutes with a reserve, taking into account that the price may make a rollback down or there may be a retracement movement. But let me wait and see the end of this trade. This is awesome. You can see that the prices are moving according to my scenario and it shows good growth. You can see here I got a very good profit and I already have almost $2,000 as my deposit. So I've already significantly increased my initial deposit. Let me continue and find more situations. Here I can see we have a rising movement here, but currently the price is going down and approaching the support level. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for a minute to go down, since as you can see the indicator dotted line is located above the graph, and also we still have enough space before the support level. As you can see, earlier the price has already touched this level, so I think that even now it will touch it. At the same time, as you can see, there is a resistance above the price that does not allow it to continue its growth, and you can see the price has already made the rebounds down from this zone twice. So it's likely that we will see a price decline in the near future here, and as you can see now the price is continuing to approach the marked level. Let me see how this trade will close. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price touches the support level, and here I got a very good profit. The indicator in this situation did not let me down again and showed a good entry point. 1 minute was quite enough for this trade. Let me continue. So here you can see the price is moving in the uptrend. At the same time, currently the price is making a rollback down and the new point appears above the graph. Here I will immediately open the trade for a minute to go down, since as you can see earlier the price has already made the resistance, and this time I can see a reaction in this zone and the price moves down. Also, we still have a long distance to the previous price minimum. At the same time, this time you can see the price moves down mainly with red candlesticks. All this tells me that the price has a good downside potential. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down, and 1 minute will be enough time for this trade. Let me wait for the results. This is awesome. You can see the trade closes below the entry point, and 1 minute was quite enough for this trade. Let me continue. So here you can see the price is moving in the uptrend, while the price was in some kind of retracement under the resistance level, and currently you can see there is a breakdown of this level. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go up, since as you can see the indicator is located under the graph. Also, we still have a long distance to the maximum point. At the same time, after a long retracement under the resistance level, the price has finally made an impulse, and after breaking the level continues to move up. All this makes me understand that the price has a good upside potential here, and it's likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up according to this rising trend. In this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price can still roll back or there may be a retracement, but let me wait and see the end of this trade. This is really good. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario and shows growth. Here you see I got a very good profit. As you can see in this situation, 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade, and also the indicator turned out to be right and showed me a good entry point. You can see that I already have almost $13,000 as my deposit, so I'm confidently approaching my trading goal. Let me continue. So here I can see that we have a support level at the bottom, and currently the price is approaching it, and the parabolic points are located above the graph. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down, since we have enough space before the support level, and I can see here that the price has come to this level quite clearly earlier, so I think that even now the price will touch this level. At the same time, I can see that here we have a certain compression of the support level. That is that the main price maximums are becoming lower here. At the same time, the price is moving down quite impulsively, mostly with red candlesticks, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down. Also, in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with a reserve, taking into account that the price can fall into the haggling zone or there will be a rollback up. So let me watch this graph and see how this trade will close. This is pretty good. You can see the price is showing a slight decline while our trade closes below the entry point, and here I got a very good profit. You can see that I already have $20,000 already as my deposit. I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. So as you saw by the end of the video, I was able to hit my goal and got more than $20,000. You can do it as well with enough experience and enough practice. You're able to make very good profit on your own. If you have any questions concerning today's trade, you can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. Go under this video, it has a link to my personal chat. Run with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. And also, if you have any further questions concerning today's trades, you can also ask them there, and also you can suggest any video that you would like to see on my channel. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, and subscribing down below to my channel, and also turning your notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, and good luck in your trades. Bye bye.